Guys, so I'm already late this morning, so I'm gonna be definitely going to church right now. You see me, I'm looking black and white. Guys, good morning, and so let's go because I'm late. So guys, stay tuned.
And he's bad mind, and he wants to rob us of that joy. But there's joy. There's joy.
So guys, the church has just ended, and I'm a bit exhausted, but such is life. You have to tire sometime, you know. Max looks exceptional today, like she's gonna go up by Emancipation and just sit down and take some beautiful pictures because she step out today, guys. She really look nice. My girl look up perps. Just a look up perps of her outfit. When she come up, I give her a full outfit of the day because she looks really nice today. Like, me not tell no like. Look at, yeah, Max. But guys, so stay tuned and as you go on this little journey.
Could it be because of this time I pass church with the music there?
Nah, look. But anyways, guys, so I don't know the plans we have today. I'm not really having the plans. I'm gonna think Max having the plans really, but
I'm going to the body man.
she's going to the body man because
Touched my car.
she touched her car, which is so sad though. And next something to come out of her pocket again for her body man. Mighty God, guys.
Let's try to find a little man with money.
Yeah.
One of them type of man that were nice and kind of want to spend. No strings attached though. Now look for the man with the string attached right now.
With no strings attached. No one about you just strings attached.
Hey, could have got rings, you know. Oh Lord. No strings attached, my dog. Unless that was my material, of course. That was my material, why not?
You know me stress out?
Stress about it. I just stressed out this.
I just stressed
I'm a ring people, I have the ring. I have a ring already.
But just done.
Show it.
Mr. D, where's your last number? I'll call out here, please.
Where should I?
She had in a churchyard. Probably should. Do you remember that she was coming there?
I'm not even sure.
Guys, I'm soon come back, so soon. Please.
Okay?
Soon. Stay tuned.
Okay. Is that true?
Max, I don't understand. I'm just so for true. Because now you're talking about I'm hungry for true.
See, now they have to learn to control themselves. They can't eat so much food. Every day just want to walk. It's the quantity you're watching, you know, watch your quality. The food that tastes nice.
The food here, you can't tell the way it does taste nice, but at the end of the day,
You want something to run over.
and it make me
You want a
feel
shed
full.
pan.
Yeah.
You want a shed pan.
That's something get a purge this week.
You know?
Get a purge the one week. I mean, I just not sure.
For me, the quantity is not always, you know, the thing. We just want to make sure the food tastes good. Because sometimes it's big enough and it don't taste nice. It's big enough and it don't nice. If it's small and taste nice and I eat and feel alright.
But then you feel alright because women normally eat less than men.
See, my man, in a way I eat food. So they eat food dumpling. I said, do they eat food dumpling?
No, I want my sister never eat them. When you get that
See, mom! Where's sir?
the side.
You never eat?
No.
I eat up 6 dumpling out of the 8.
I would eat food dumpling out of the 6.
Jesus.
Right? And then box of auntie. I catch him over there. And then I'm going to left back. None. And it's like something just left it back. So it's like, I get to this man in the message and I want to be dumpling them. She should not eat yet. Somebody tell me time she said she
What happened there?
They go for bush this man.
Tell your mother, your father, your auntie,
You're going to drop one ear.
That I don't want to talk about that things.
Alright, I'm not going to talk.
Down, I'm not going to say it. That was very nice.
Max, but this one is shared between me and her, so.
What?
The rest of them are left. The rest of them are left.
The 2 dumplings?
Yeah.
How many instead was left? How many were left?
2.
Are you shared between you and her?
Yeah.
Why you have a big heart? I couldn't tell them more. But I will come back and make one jump out back in there. Go up the 6 or 3 she could do it. And she make the take one out of it again?
Yeah.
And she eat one with the cocky?
Yeah.
She's a good girl.
She's the older sibling. So that's it. The older sibling to cover the little sibling.
She's a very good girl because she could get.
Yeah, and she's the older sibling?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know somebody, you don't know this, my mama.
I know.
Wash out, but I mean wash out the sketch with them.
Jesus is. Here you know, Max.
Yeah, me a wash belly, man. Them say wash belly.
Wash out them on the belly?
Yeah, the wash belly, the last one. That's what the term. You never hear the term yet?
I've heard wash belly term.
Then I say wash belly, I mean wash out mother belly.
Never even wash out the mother belly, but.
Yeah, me last.
You know, Mama blame me for your big belly still.
Your mother?
Yeah, she said from I'm a sister, she snatch right back. When she have me, there is no snatching.
It's a natural disaster for a long time. It's a natural disaster.
I'll be early admit in the hospital after my bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I ingested some.
So when the man there look like him can't have sense, you know?
I ingested some fluids.
Oh my god.
So I had to stay
Alright,
back.
TMI. What about you no more?
It was a natural birth, Max.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I had natural birth, so I didn't do anything.
She said she never agreed with that.
I had a natural birth. I made out a natural birth.
Justine.
Jade.
Guys, we soon come back. The mascara has been worked on. It's touch something. So I didn't know where it's
Later.
Alright.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Alright.
So now I start having food and them. Never meet one more, I'm afraid, I never frame them. See myself sleep and
It's true, I could wake up this man. It's true, man. Till down, I found yourself something wrong with that. I get up now.
What time you get up this morning?
After 10.
You lie.
Yeah.
You lie.
After 10.
Now even on an ordinary day, you wake up so late?
Yeah, but I don't get like after 11 sometime.
No, sir. I want to practice for dead.
That's
When I sleep so long, I practice for dead.
That's my time. I say I practice that.
Who that? Who's that?
Father.
When I see the most I'm on it, baby.
No, I say I practice that. My dream vehicle.
Two-door car people don't want to get nobody to drive. Huh?
Why?
Don't want
Have seats in the back.
Four door. And they're supposed to get up on a door for people. He's a
And a jar
bicycle and go
seat.
behind me. No. No. Four-door. No two-door.
Guys, good morning. Good morning. You see how early I'm up this morning because of Max. Max has been on my case about some apples I promised her. Right? Now, I have to reach a bush just to try to get these apples for her. Which means I still up on the tree. That's the thing. None still apple. None at all. And with Mr. Apple, I'm going to keep it just guys, I'm not seeing an apple. Max, I'm not seeing an apple. None. Not even one. If you say, stone a dog with it. And I with Mr. Apple Blossom. Then that tree tricked me then. No, man. Max, I show you the tree. So this is the tree. After I put the blossom with you. Remember all I showed the apple blossom in the vlog? And see it here? This tree is a trickster. Trickster. But it's alright now. It's alright apple. But I'm going to see more apple. Guys, I guess that's it. Because I'm going to see that one apple. I'm going to call Max and tell her this now. And then she'll go first. Right now. Deliverer. But yes, guys. So I guess because it's early in the morning, I go back to sleep. Yeah. And today's Sunday. Anyway, so on a Sunday, I have nothing at all. Nothing at all to do. Nothing. But because I have exams coming up, I have to go study for exams. So I have that to do for the entire week going into exams. So guys, talk to you soon.